This is my room tour for room 3756 in the Gallery Tower at Downtown Grand. Really weird here because you walk in and the door, there's two rooms in here. One there and then my one there. So yeah, really quite weird really. I like the numbers on the door. So this is your walk in. Like I say, this is studio. Like I say, it's a studio room. It's really nice. Nice little massive area there. That's where my suitcases are. Just come in. Bit of a shelving area here. You've got some free waters. They get replaced daily here, which is really good. And there's your mirror. And then the view is brilliant. Literally, like I say, it's a studio one. So you got a view down there of the mountains and that, which is really nice. And then all the way down, see the strip a little bit, and then obviously Fremont's over there. This is like on the corner of the block, so there's only so many of these rooms, and it's really nice room. This, so she upgraded us. It's basically cost me 3 nights. It cost me $60, and this room alone for one night's $85 a night. So we've done well there, to be honest with you. Loads of drawer space and everything there. TV. And good thing I like in these rooms when they actually put your ironing board in, you don't have to keep ringing down to get one. Safe at the bottom down there. Bedside tables. And then this is the bathroom, which is really nice. Like I said, these are all new rooms. These are new tower, nice shower, sink, and obviously a toilet there. Yeah, really nice room. Really impressed with it. Like I say, originally I just got comped 2 nights, and I think it was going to cost me $30 odd for the last night. So it's cost me literally another $30 is all it's cost me for this room. But yeah, the view's brilliant, and we're well impressed with this room. Hope you have a good one, guys. Catch you in a bit.